Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. So in today's video, I will be making s'mores French toast. I will start by cracking one egg. The second ingredient is milk, 3/4 cup approximately, or just a little bit more than that. Add a pinch of cinnamon and also almost 2 teaspoons of sugar. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna get my toast and put it inside. Leave it 10 seconds on each side. Then I'll put it on my pan, which already has butter, and then leave it on each side till it's golden. Now I'll dip it in cracked biscuits from each side. Oops. So I will spread Nutella on one of the toasts, and on the other one I will put some marshmallows. So after I added some more mini marshmallows on top, I did put it inside the oven for 2 minutes just for them to look puffy. And I decided to decorate with some chocolate syrup. This tastes so good.